traders, welcome back. Michael Harding here from the Academy of Financial Markets. I'm your Chief Trading Instructor. In this lecture, I'll explain continuations and reversals. Alright, so we're taking a look at USD CAD on a 4-hour time frame. And I just want everyone to focus on this area here for a second. So after we had this major sell-off, it's only natural for us to expect some sort of retracement to happen, at least in the short term, before seeing some sort of continuation, unless this data report, whatever economic report caused this major sell-off, was extremely strong and will cause it to sell off even further, and we would see more downside. But seeing this sell-off, let's take a look at how many pips it was here. So it's at roughly the 124 handle down to the 120 handle, or sorry, almost the 121 handle. So that's a little bit over 300 pips. A 300 pip move is quite big in currencies. So it's only natural for us to see a retracement. And so after finding some support, we were able to retrace a little bit. And let's just zoom in on this so we can take a closer look at what's going on. So after getting the retracement, I'm just going to use the Fibonacci retracement tool on this. Okay, we were able to retrace down to the 61.8%. After retracing down to the 61.8%, we had continuation. Okay, so I'm just going to delete that. So we retraced, and from this small upswing, we had a retracement down to the 61.8, and then we had further continuation. And this area here, guys, when we had this small retracement from this downswing, this area was sort of resisted. Okay, so from this recent low, it was sort of resisted around the same area. So then when after completing this small retracement and breaking through this level of resistance, we then were able to find another level of resistance, which was very similar around this particular area here. And notice that it fell or retraced back down to this level that was, so this was resistance, and once resistance is broken, it then becomes support. So you see here, as it's retracing down to this level, it's then being supported by this area here. And then we had a little bit of consolidation. So consolidation is when the market's just moving sideways. A little bit of consolidation here. And then after the consolidation, we had further continuation. And we can even just put in this level of resistance. So it was being resisted here. And after finally consolidating and breaking out of this consolidation to the upside, and we get the continuation, then we were able to retrace back down to this was resistance, and now we retrace back down to the level of support. So we're being supported again. Okay, and so we're this whole upswing, this whole trend here has a lot of continuation patterns in it, and you guys can see that. Okay, so let me just zoom out for a second here. So now in terms of reversals, okay, this trend will continue to trade in this upward trend until this major level of support is broken. Okay, and we also have the resistance along the top. So we're trading in this rising channel, and once this level of support is broken, that would be our sign of a reversal. So say, for example, we break below this, and then we might find this level of support, because this was an area where it was previously lots of resistance. It was resisted here, resisted, and then it was sort of supported there. So we might find this as a level of support, and we might get a bounce off of that. And then for us to continue to move downwards, this level of support needs to be broken. So we might see something like that. But this level here needs to be broken in order for this downswing to continue. Okay. So that's it for continuations and reversals, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Michael Harding, your Chief Trading Instructor.